Here's my review of my Haven penthouse room. In order to get on this floor, you have to have a card, so you have to be in the Haven. And so we're on the 12th floor, and here's the hallway right here going down to our room, 12910. So as you can see, there's no one here. We kind of own the ship pretty early, and there we go. 12910, and you have to use a card to get into the room like this. And if you've been on cruises before, then you know you got to use the card to get in most rooms now. So here's the room. It's pretty spacious. So, you need a card to keep the electricity on. That's like most rooms. But this room is updated and it's spacious. Let's look in the closet. The first side of the closet, you have towels, and you have enough room in there to fold your own towels. And you also have a safe, which I think is pretty cool. So this is good for a 7-day cruise. So we're gonna look in the other side of the closet where you have hangers at. You can hang your robes and your clothes. And you can also get your laundry squared away, as well as a robe. So it's pretty good size for a 7-day cruise for 2 people. So this is where you make the coffee at. And like I said, it's pretty updated. It's probably the most updated ship, especially with a TV this big. I've never been on a cruise with a TV this big and a little sitting area beside the TV. I wouldn't sit on it. Also a table with fruit on there. And they also gave us this wine. Maybe it could be because it's my wife's birthday. Maybe it's because how many points that we have. Me and my wife really don't drink wine, but hey, we're going to drink it this time. Now let's look around the room. So there's a lot of plug-ins. Here's the bed right here. It's a nice size bed. We're going to flip it to look up underneath it. Never go in the room without looking up underneath the bed. You don't know what's up underneath the bed bugs. This is where you can do your makeup at. Let's check the bathroom. And there goes some more plug-ins, USB and regular plug-ins. So, you have a 2-faucet sink, which I think is pretty cool and updated. It's really nice. And then you have a shower where you can kind of adjust the temperatures. And so that's pretty nice. That's pretty updated. Never been in a cruise that had an updated shower like that. And there's the toilet. So all in all, I say it's really, really nice for a Haven penthouse room. So let me go ahead and back up out of here and let you guys see the rest of the room. All right, we're going to loop around and I go to bed again. And this is a balcony, and the balcony is really nice. So let's go out on the balcony real quick and see what we're working with. Okay, we're going out on the balcony. We're up on the 12th floor, so we're pretty high. And there goes the beautiful wife. Hey. All right, and we're going around, and these chairs, they're more updated than we used to. A lot of times they have those old cheap fold-out chairs, but these are pretty comfortable on a cruise.